just me and my old Ford, a coffee cup in the console, and a map I can't afford. The radio's playing George Strait, singing about a love gone wrong. And I'm thinking about the girl I left, where I might belong. But the neon lights are calling, there's a diner up ahead. The waitress pours her heart out, and the jukebox ain't quite dead. And at the truck stop of my heart, where the lonely engines hum, where the coffee's always bitter, but the memories still come. I'm searching for redemption in the glow of faded stars. At the truck stop of my heart, I'm still wondering where you are. She had a smile like summer lightning, and a voice like Patsy Cline, but I was too wild to hold her, too lost to read the signs. Now every mile's a memory, every town's a dead-end road, and I'm chasing down the echoes of love I should have known. But the diesel keeps on burning, and the night's a lonesome tune. I'm a cowboy in the rearview, howling at the moon. At the truck stop of my heart, where the lonely engines hum, where the coffee's always bitter, but the memories still come. And I'm searching for redemption in the glow of faded stars. At the truck stop of my heart, I'm still wondering where you are. If I could turn this rig around, I'd drive straight back to you. But the road's a cruel mistress, she don't care what I do. So I'll sit here in the corner with a pen and a paper napkin, trying to write the words to say I'm sorry for what happened. My heart, where the lonely engines hum, where the coffee's always bitter, but the memories still come. I'm searching for redemption in the glow of faded stars. At the truck stop of my heart, I'm still wondering where you are. So if you're ever driving past and you see that neon sign, stop in and have a coffee, and I'll tell you what's on my mind. At the truck stop of my heart, I'll be waiting there for you, with a jukebox full of heartache and a love that's tried and true.